Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Code Nemesis. In today's video, we'll be exploring the power of GitHub Codespaces. So last week I was working from a friend's place and I didn't have my system which has everything installed on it. Naturally, I didn't have my local dev environment and I knew I could update GitHub's repository URL from github.com to github.dev to open it up in VS Code. However, what I didn't know was that I could run code on it for free. I had heard of GitHub Codespaces, but had never expected it to have such a good free tier. Here is when I found out. So I opened it up on GitHub Codespaces and saw that I can actually run my code. So when I went to open the terminal here, that is when I discovered that I can actually open a terminal and run some code on it for it to work. So let's get started. Introduction. GitHub Codespaces has revolutionized the developer experience by providing a seamless and immersive coding environment. Whether you are an individual developer, a part of a team, or a contributor to open source projects, GitHub Codespaces offers an all-in-one solution for efficient coding, collaboration, and experimentation. In this article, we will dive into the world of GitHub Codespaces, exploring its features, benefits, and how it enhances the development workflow. GitHub Codespaces. An overview of GitHub Codespaces is a cloud-based development environment that allows you to write, build, and debug code directly within your web browser or integrated development environment. It provides a fully configured, ready-to-use coding environment without the need for complex local setup or hardware dependencies. Key features and benefits. With GitHub Codespaces, setting up a developer environment is a breeze. Simply create a repository and launch a new codespace with just a few clicks, and you'll have an isolated and pre-configured environment ready for you to code. Flexibility and accessibility. Codespaces are accessible from any device with an internet connection, enabling developers to work seamlessly across different machines and environments. You can switch between your browser, Visual Studio Code, or any IDE of your choice. Collaboration made easy. GitHub Codespaces simplifies collaboration by allowing multiple developers to work together in the same environment. Share your code space with the teammates or invite contributors to join you in real-time coding sessions. This facilitates seamless code interviews, pair programming, and knowledge sharing. Configurability and customization. Customize your code space to suit your preferences. Install extensions, modify settings, create a personalized web environment. Your configurations are stored alongside your repository, ensuring consistency and portability. Integrate Git workflow. Codespaces seamlessly integrate with Git, enabling you to manage branches, track changes, and collaborate on projects. Commit, push, and pull code directly from your code space, streamlining your development workflow. Time and cost savings. Codespaces eliminate the need for complex local setups, saving you time and effort. Additionally, by leveraging the cloud infrastructure, you can avoid the expenses associated with maintaining powerful hardware configurations. Conclusion. GitHub Codespaces empowers developers with a flexible, accessible, and collaborative coding environment. It simplifies the setup process, enhances collaboration, and offers a customizable development experience. Whether you're working on personal projects, collaborating with teammates, or contributing to open source, GitHub Codespaces provides a convenient and powerful solution. Embrace the world of GitHub Codespaces and unlock new possibilities in your development journey. So even though there's a lot of things mentioned on here, as a developer, I would use Codespaces for my personal projects and something that I would be using when I'm on the go and I don't have access to my dev environment. What do you guys think? You can leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. If you like this video, feel free to leave more comments, like and subscribe. And I love coffee, so if you like this video, feel free to buy me a coffee at this link. That was it. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!